What are the different types of cannabis licenses available? If you are curious about the various types of cannabis licenses, you are in the right place. Understanding these licenses is essential for anyone interested in the cannabis industry, especially from a legal perspective. Each license type allows specific activities and comes with its own set of rules and requirements. Let's break down the main categories of cannabis licenses. First, we have cultivation licenses. These licenses allow individuals or businesses to grow cannabis plants. There are different subcategories based on how the plants are grown. For instance, outdoor cultivation involves growing plants outside without artificial lighting. Indoor cultivation takes place in permanent structures using artificial lighting. Mixed light cultivation combines natural and artificial light, often using greenhouses. Some areas have a tiered system that limits the growing area, known as canopy space. Cultivation licenses can be for medical use, adult use, or both. Next, we have manufacturing or processing licenses. These licenses permit the processing of raw cannabis into products like edibles, oils, and concentrates. Activities under this license include extraction, compounding, packaging, and labeling. Compliance with health and safety standards is often required, and third-party testing may be necessary to ensure product safety. Distribution licenses are also important. They authorize the transportation of cannabis products between licensed entities. Distributors act as intermediaries, ensuring that products move legally from cultivators or manufacturers to retailers. Some areas differentiate between wholesale distribution and courier services, with the latter focusing on delivery to consumers. Retail licenses are another key category. These licenses allow the sale of cannabis products directly to consumers. Retailers may operate dispensaries, which can be medical only, adult use only, or a combination of both. Retail licenses come with strict regulations regarding location, security, and sales, including age restrictions for consumers. Testing laboratory licenses are essential for product safety. These labs analyze cannabis products for potency, contaminants, and chemical composition. This ensures compliance with regulatory standards and product safety for consumers. There are also special license types to consider. Microbusiness licenses allow a single entity to engage in multiple activities like limited cultivation, processing, distribution, and retail sales, but on a smaller scale. Cooperative licenses are structured as democratically controlled organizations where members manage cultivation, processing, and sales but typically cannot sell directly to consumers. Consumption area licenses authorize premises where cannabis products can be consumed on-site, often prohibiting alcohol sales. Event licenses are for organizers holding events where cannabis may be sold or consumed legally. Some jurisdictions issue tribal or combined use licenses, allowing federally recognized tribes to engage in combined cultivation and retail operations on tribal lands under specific regulations. From a law school viewpoint, understanding these license types involves recognizing their distinct legal scopes and regulatory requirements. Licensing requirements may include background checks, ownership restrictions, security protocols, and reporting duties. At cannabis law conferences and networking events, these license types are often discussed in relation to regulatory compliance and business development. Legal professionals use their knowledge of these licenses to navigate licensing applications and advocate for legislative reforms. Understanding the different types of cannabis licenses is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the cannabis industry.